Hi, it's Ted from Think Tank Photo. Over the years, our Manager series of high-capacity rolling cases has earned acclaim from studio photographers and filmmakers around the world. Our customers prefer these semi-rigid cases for their utility, durability, and weight when compared to hard cases. And now we're proud to introduce the next generation Manager series with upgraded features that will improve workflow and top quality materials that will protect your gear and outlast the competition. And as you can see, our studio is torn apart because we're moving to our new location. So we're actually using the Manager series to load up all of our gear for one easy move. The Manager series consists of 3 large rolling cases: the Logistics Manager 30, Production Manager 40, and the Production Manager 50. The Logistics Manager 30 is a 30-inch rolling case that will fit up to an 800 5.6, multiple bodies, multiple lenses, flash heads, power packs, and small light stands. The Production Manager 40 is a 40-inch case that will fit up to 3 to 4 flash heads, 2 to 3 power packs, monoblocks, umbrellas, medium softboxes, and small light stands. The Production Manager 50 is a 50-inch case that will fit 3 to 4 flash heads, 2 to 3 power packs, monoblocks, umbrellas, large-sized softboxes and modifiers, and large light stands, including C-stands with the feet removed. So let's take a look inside to show gear protection and organization. A fully customizable interior with extra dividers protects small and large lighting equipment. Large padded dividers are reinforced to support heavy lighting gear yet maintain rigidity. The lid features large mesh pockets for organizing your wireless triggers, gels, cords, tape, batteries, and other grip. Adjustable and removable straps on the lid keep the bag open and accessible to improve your workflow. One of the main upgrades to the Manager series are these large shock-absorbing wheels that we've added to all 3 of the cases. These large, ultra-durable wheels feature steel bearings for smooth rolling, are wide set for extra stability, and will hold up under the toughest conditions. On the outside of the bag, armor plating, skid rails, and ballistic nylon material offers superior protection and durability. Handles on 3 sides make loading and unloading from vehicles easy. Many components, including trolley handles, wheels, feet, and skid plates, are user replaceable, adding years of life to your cases. Other features include attachment points and straps on the side for light stands or tripods. And on the front lid, there's a large zippered pocket for reflectors, modifiers, umbrellas, extension cords, etc. Customizable ID panels on the sides and top help identify the contents of your bag at a glance, so your gear is easy to identify. An included lock and cable system allow you to secure your bag on location so you can focus on your work instead of worrying about your gear being stolen. At Think Tank Photo, we understand what a production crew goes through. From loading and unloading gear from the studio into the vehicles, onto the location, and then packing it up and taking it all back home again. It's quite a long day and it's a lot of gear to manage. That's why we built the Manager series with transport, durability, and workflow in mind. The Manager series of high-capacity rolling cases can transport all your studio essentials in a single case while offering the highest level of protection at the lightest weight possible. They are quite simply the most efficient way to safely transport a large amount of photo and video gear.